Today I'm going to show you step by step how to sign up for eRank. If you have not signed up yet for eRank, I do have an affiliate link in the description. It is no additional cost to you, but it is a great way to support the channel. And I'm going to show you how to set up your eRank account. So let's get to it. First thing I'm going to do is go to plans, and they have 3 different options here. They have a free, basic, and pro. Honestly, a lot of the tools that you're going to want to use in eRank are ones that you do have to pay for, like the competitive tracker, the trend buzz, delivery status, top sellers, and these are ones that are really important to make more sales on Etsy, which is what the purpose of eRank is. So I recommend either the basic or the pro, one of these two. I'm going to sign up today for the basic. That is going to be the one that I'm going to do, but basic or pro, that's what I recommend. Honestly, I don't recommend the free version, but if you want to try it, then you can. So I'm going to hit register. Then you're going to fill out your information. Then you're going to see this, and it's going to say that they sent you an email with instructions on how to activate your account. So let's go look at that. This is what the email looks like. The subject is going to be eRank activation. It took about 2 minutes for it to come through. So we are going to hit the orange button that says activate account. Then you're going to hit the login button and log in. Here we are in the dashboard. Next thing we're going to do is upgrade our account. Right now it automatically has you on the free version, but we do need the upgraded version to get the good access. We're going to hit upgrade, then scroll down to choose plan, then hit this box. It's going to be $5.99 a month for the basic plan, totally worth every penny. We're going to hit pay now. Then you're going to put in your billing information, or you can pay with Google Pay as well. Then you're going to hit subscribe after you put in your billing information. Welcome to eRank Basing, and we're going to hit start exploring. And there you go. Now it is going to bring you back to the dashboard. Now this looks really overwhelming, but trust me, it's not nearly as hard as it looks. But I do have a full tutorial on how to connect your Etsy shop and a walkthrough of the dashboard. So watch that next.